Good morning, everyone. It is Thursday, the 25th of February 2021. Hope you're all doing well out there. So I'm back with another technical analysis video. I'm going to try and speed through a load of charts today. So try and keep up with me. I'm going to try and get it done in about 5 or 6 minutes. If you don't know who I am, my name is Patrick French. I'm the founder and director of the Berkshire Exchange. We help companies with currency exposure to save a ton of money on international payments as well as currency hedging. Now, before I get into the video, I want you to go to Twitter and follow me at PatrickFrench85. Also on Instagram at PatrickFrench85. Send me a DM. Let's connect. Let's talk about your currency exposure. Let's see if we can save you a ton of money as well. Right, let's get straight into today's video. So I will minimize myself and drop myself down into this corner here. We're going to start off by having a look at the pound versus the US dollar. Now, this is a perfect example of how we add massive value to our clients. We can tell our clients at the moment that we are at the top of this ascending channel, which we've been in for the past 5 months. As you can see, it's been bouncing up and down here. Every time it gets to the top of the channel, obviously this is a fantastic time for importers and those that need to make payments in US dollars to buy US dollars. For exporters, we are minded that the market is going to continue to move higher. So we would say if you get a pullback to 140 to this level here, that would be a good area for you to sell your dollars. And if it breaks below 140, then around this area, which is around 138.80, that would be a good area to sell dollars also. So we're going to move swiftly on to pound versus the euro. We can see yesterday we broke above this target area. If you watch my last video, I mentioned that 116.50 was a target area for us. We've hit that price target. We've been able to get a couple of our clients in at these levels when we were up here. The market did have a strong rejection yesterday back below that level, and as you can see today, we are falling lower. So this could be a bit of profit taking from investors and traders. Obviously, we've had a very strong, aggressive breakup. So for importers, the next target that we're looking at, if we can get back above 116.50, is 118, and then above that 120 at the top of our 4.5 year range. I'll just try to see if I can zoom out a little bit so you can see what that looks like. So all the way up there, and then if we zoom back in now, for exporters, if the market does continue to sell off a little bit, then 115 would be a decent area to sell your euros. If we can break back below that, then it would probably be around this 113.50 to 113 area for exporter price targets. Let's move swiftly on to euro dollar. So we've got euro dollar breaking out strongly this morning. We're seeing quite a bit of weakness in the US dollar. So we've broken above our price target of 122. Again, I gave the price target of 122 in my previous video, so you can go and check that out. We're strongly above 122 at the moment. Next target for euro dollar would be around 123 to 123.50. If we do get a pullback, then it might just be to this sort of 121.70 area, down to around, say, 121 area. That would be a possible support area because we've got this trend line plotted there. I'm going to move very swiftly on through some of the other major pound crosses. So this is pound Swiss franc. We're up at the 128 level at the moment. This was a target because we had these previous resistances here, as you can see, going back about a year. So as it stands at the moment, this is a great time to buy Swiss francs if you're exposed to that. If the market does sell off a little bit, then we could see a retracement back to down to these levels at 126. This has been a support area previously. So that is your exporter target, 126. Moving higher, importer target would probably be around 132, in line roughly with these highs. Let's move on to pound CAD. Sorry, I know I'm blitzing through this. I'm just trying to be conscious of time I don't want to make this video too long, as people sometimes do switch off a little bit. So we've had a shift in pound CAD yesterday, a strong reversal from the 178 area, which was your previous high, all the way back here, which was March 2020, and also basically March 2020 were the highs that we saw the 178 level being hit. We're moving back down, so exporter target would be this 176 area. If we do get a bounce back up to 178, that's your importer target, and above that 180. Moving swiftly on to pound yen. This has been one of the stronger pairs. We're seeing a lot of flight out of the safe haven currencies, which is why you've seen the pound dollar appreciate, you've seen pound Swiss appreciate, and you're also seeing the yen appreciate. So we're at the 150 level. We think that the market is going to head up to this descending trend line. From a monthly perspective, I'll just show you very quickly. That's what we've got plotted, which coincides with roughly between 156, 157. So that's where we see things heading to. That might take a little bit of time, maybe 3 to 6 months to actually get up there. It could be a lot sooner, considering, you know, we've just been moving so aggressively on pound yen. For exporters that are looking to sell your yen, probably this little area here will be a nice spot, 147.60 ish, if we can get back down there, and then back to the top of this channel, maybe around 146 ish. So those are your price targets. Pound Aussie, again, strong rejection yesterday. We can see from this resistance area, if we can get back down here for exporters, 175, that will be your target. For importers, if we can get back up to anywhere like 179 to 180, that will be a great place to buy Aussie dollars. And then finally, let's have a look at the New Zealand dollar. Similar to Aussie dollar, strong rejection yesterday, broken back below the 192 resistance area. We did pop our heads above it for a little bit, and now we're back below, possibly heading back down to the bottom of this range around 186. So in terms of price targets for exporters, this low here around 188.50 would be first target, and then 186 would be second target. For importers, if you want to buy some New Zealand dollars, if we can get back up to say 191.40 to 192, that would be your areas to buy. And that's it. I tried to get through it as quick as I can. Took me 8 minutes, so I'm a bit over time. Hope you enjoyed the content. Keep looking out for future content. Do me a massive favor, give this a like and leave some comments, leave me some feedback, connect with me on Instagram, on Twitter, on LinkedIn, and let's continue to grow our audience. Thanks a lot, guys. Take care.